Why am I thinking about Judy? She is a nice girl.
Why am I thinking about Judy? زه ولې د جوډي باره کې فکر کوم؟ She is a nice girl. هغه یوه ښه جنۍ ده.
She is very beautiful girl. I think I am in love.
She is very beautiful girl. هغه یوه ډېره ښایسته جنۍ ده. I think زما په فکر I am in love. زه په مینه کې یم.
What should I do now? Should I propose her?
What should I do now? زه باید څه وکړم؟ Should I propose her? آیا زه باید هغې ته وړاندیز وکړم؟ propose ویل کېږي ملګرو د واده وړاندیز ته.
No. She is devastated. She lost her mother.
No, نه. She is devastated. هغه ډېره خفه ده. devastated ویل کېږي مطلب ډېر زیاته خفه. She lost her mother. هغې خپله مور لاسه ورکړې ده.
I have to wait for a few days. I will propose her. I will marry her.
I have to wait for a few days. زه باید یو څو ورځو لپاره انتظار وکړم. I will propose her. زه به هغې ته وړاندیز وکړم. I will marry her. زه به له هغې سره واده وکړم. marry ویل کېږي واده کول.
Hello. Where are you? Come here quickly.
Hello, salam. Where are you? ته چېرته یې؟ Come here quickly. دلته ډېر زر راشه.
I have arrived, madam. Where are you?
I have arrived, madam. زه را رسېدلی یم میډمه. Where are you? ته چېرته یې؟
I am in the yard. We have to meet right now.
I am in the yard. زه په حویلۍ کې یم. یارډ ویل کېږي حویلۍ ته. We have to meet right now. مونږ باید همدا اوس ملاقات وکړو.
You have to kill a girl tomorrow. Her name is Rose.
You have to kill a girl tomorrow. ته باید یوه جنۍ مړه کړې سبا ته. Her name is Rose. د هغې نوم روز ده.
Don't worry. I can do it. Where is the money?
Don't worry. پریشانه کېږه مه. I can do it. زه دا کولی شمه. Where is the money? روپۍ چېرته دي؟
You have to kill her first. I want to see her dead body.
You have to kill her first. ته باید لومړی هغه ووژنې. I want to see her dead body. زه غواړم چې د هغې مړ جسد ووینم.
Don't worry, madam. I have seen her photo. I will kill her tomorrow.
Don't worry, madam. پریشانه کېږه مه میډمه. I have seen her photo. ما د هغې عکس لیدلی دی. I will kill her tomorrow. زه به هغه سبا ته مړه کړم.
Fine. You can go now. Anyone can see you here.
Fine. صحیح ده. You can go now. ته کولی شي چې اوس لاړ شې. Anyone can see you here. هر څوک کولی شي چې تا دلته وویني.
Okay, madam. Good night.
Okay, madam. صحیح ده میډم. Good night. ښه شپه ولرې.
Oh my God. What is he doing here?
Oh my God. او زما خدایا. What is he doing here? هغه دلته څه کوي؟
Jim. What are you doing here?
Gemma, what are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوي؟
Jim. What happened? What do you want?
Gemma, what happened? څه واقع شول؟ What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟
Nothing. I was worried about you. Are you okay?
Nothing. هیڅ هم نه. I was worried about you. زه ستا باره کې پریشان وم. Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
Okay.
I am not okay. I miss my mom.
I am not okay. زه ښه نه یم. I miss my mom. زه خپله مور یادوم.
Peter hates me. He wants to kick me out. I am all alone.
Peter hates me. Peter له ما څخه نفرت کوي. He wants to kick me out. هغه غواړي چې ما وباسي له کور نه. I am all alone. زه بالکل یوازې یم.
Alone.
You need to rest, Judy. Good night.
You need to rest, Judy. ته ضرورت لري چې آرام وکړې جوډي. Good night. ښه شپه ولرې.
Good night, Jim. You are a good person.
Good night, Jim. ښه شپه ولرې جیمه. You are a good person. ته یو ښه شخص یې.
Judy is a cunning girl. She hates Rose. She wants to destroy her.
Judy is a cunning girl. Judy یو چالاکه جنۍ ده. cunning ویل کېږي چالاکه. She hates Rose. هغه نفرت کوي له روز څخه. She wants to destroy her. هغه غواړي چې هغه تباه کړي. Destroy ویل کېږي تباه کول.
No, no. I will talk to Rose. I have to save her. I hate you, Judy.
No, no, نه. I will talk to Rose. زه به له روز سره خبرې وکړم. I have to save her. زه باید هغه وژغورم. I hate you, Judy. زه نفرت کوم له تا څخه جوډي.
Hello, Jim. Do you want to talk to Rose?
Do you want to talk to Rose? آیا ته غواړې چې له روز سره خبرې وکړې؟
I thought you were a good girl. I was wrong. I hate you.
I thought ما فکر کوو you were a good girl چې ته یوه ښه جینۍ یې. I was wrong. زه غلط وم. I hate you. زه نفرت کوم له تا څخه.
Rose cares about you. You want to destroy her.
Rose cares about you. Rose ستا خیال ساتي ستا باره کې. You want to destroy her او ته غواړې چې هغه تباه کړې.
How could you do this to her? You are a selfish girl.
How could you do this to her? ته څنګه داسې کولی شې له هغې سره. You are a selfish girl. ته یو خودغرضه جینۍ یې.
Rose has to die. I will destroy her. You cannot do anything.
Rose has to die. Rose باید مړه شي. I will destroy her. زه به هغه تباه کوم. You cannot do anything. ته هیڅ هم نشي کولی. Die ویل کېږي ملګرو مړ کېدل.
I will not let you do this. I will save her.
I will not let you do this. زه به تا پرېنږدم چې ته داسې وکړې. I will save her. زه به هغه وژغورم.
You cannot do anything. Rose will die. I will not let you destroy my plan.
You cannot do anything. ته هیڅ هم نشي کولی. Rose will die. Rose به مړه کېږي. I will not let you destroy my plan. زه به تا پرېنږدم چې زما هدف تباه کړي. plan ویل کېږي هدف ته.
I will destroy your plan. I will save Rose.
I will destroy your plan. زه به ستا هدف تباه کړم. I will save Rose. زه به روز وژغورم.
You cannot do anything. I will stop you.
You cannot do anything. ته هیڅ هم نشي کولی. I will stop you. زه به تا ودروم.
I am Judy. Nobody can stop me.
I am Judy. زه جوډي یم. Nobody can stop me. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې ما ودروي.
Hello. You have to kill Rose tomorrow. I cannot wait anymore.
Hello, salam. You have to kill Rose tomorrow. ته باید روز سبا ته مړه کړې. I cannot wait anymore. زه نور انتظار نشم کولی.
Okay, madam. Don't worry.
Okay, madam. صحیح ده میډم. Don't worry. پریشانه کېږه مه.
Jim cannot wake up. He will be sleeping for the next 13 hours.
Jim cannot wake up. Jim نشي پاسېدلی. He will be sleeping for the next 13 hours. هغه به د 14 ساعتو لپاره ویده وي.
Hours. I have to talk to Rose
I have to talk to Rose now. زه باید له روز سره خبرې وکړم.
now.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch this next video. I know you are going to love it.